In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Ventra card on bus. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Boarding train and buses with Ventra is an extremely simple process. All that you have to do to use your Ventra card on a bus is first make sure that it is either loaded up with balance or that you have a CTA pass active. It's very important that you set it up properly, and as long as you have the balance or a pass attributed to the card, it is going to be ready to be used when you need to board a bus. I recommend that you use the latest version of their mobile app, but this is optional. As long as you ensure that it has balance, you will be able to board any buses with Ventra. So all that you have to do after the card is properly set up is place your card near the card reader for Ventra. So as you can see on screen, this is an example of a card reader. As you might expect, you have to physically touch your card on the reader. Immediately upon touching your card on this card reader, you are going to get the instructions on screen telling you to go or telling you if you are unable to board because of low balance or if you don't have a pass active. As long as you have the balance, the card is properly set up, you will be ready to board. The screen will either tell you to go or stop depending on if your card was accepted or not. After you are done, you are now ready to board and you can store your card back in your wallet, for example. Alternatively, you can use your phone to contactlessly make this payment as long as you attribute the card to, for example, an Apple Wallet or the Google Wallet. You will be able to place your phone near the card reader instead. This is a process that you can do on the latest version of the app, but it is optional. I hope I was able to help you on how to use the Ventra card on bus. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.